I think the theme of today is just how many weird angles can I film in. Okay, this feels so silly and dumb. Do I look like a college student? Okay.
Yes.
We're on campus. We're walking around campus. Gonna get our IDs. I think my
lunchbox makes us look a little bit less like college students. I'm sorry.
I'm just gonna start. Yeah. Go Devils. This is so dumb. Okay, this is super weird to do in public, but I'm at Target now and I'm gonna go back to school shopping or something like that. Okay, so one of the things I definitely want to get for college is blue light glasses. I have a pair already, but they're kind of ugly. So I'm like looking at some. These are kind of cute. These are a maybe. I'm gonna hold on to them in case I don't find any others, but I want to do that nerd thing. I want to have glasses and a ponytail and then show up to a date with no glasses and no ponytail. Okay, I tried on all the frames that they had, and I think these ones are the ones that oh, now that I'm looking at them, might be a little weird. Maybe I'll go for the other ones, actually. Yeah, the other ones. Yeah, I think these are the ones. Okay, I also want to get some skincare things, so I'm looking at Florence right now, and I'll look at some other things, but I love Millie, so my girl. Okay, I think this is the Florence product I'm gonna get today. It's the Plump to It moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, which I know is really good for your skin, so that's what we're getting. And I'm almost out of my Clinique lotion, so. Okay, so currently I just use a bar soap, so I'm looking at some body washes. I mean, I love pink, and also my shampoo is rose scented, so maybe her. I'm gonna grab her. I'm also gonna pick up some micellar water because I just use soap to take my makeup off, so I'm gonna grab this one because I know this is the one everyone uses, and it's pink. I am also gonna get this oil-free acne wash from Neutrogena. It's like the pink grapefruit one, and I trust Neutrogena because I use like a toner from them and it really helps. So we're gonna grab this because normally I just use the CeraVe face wash, but I want to try some other things because I'm almost out of it, but not quite. So if it doesn't work, I can just use the one I still have. Pink. And I'm also gonna grab these overnight spot patches because I use Panoxyl. I use this wash for my acne and it really helps. So I'm gonna get these spot patches. They're like 40 for about $8, which is the best deal I think I found. So I'm gonna get these because I like the brand and see if they work. I'm also gonna get this because it's rated pretty well and it's on sale. It's a lactic acid serum. I haven't really used any serums ever, but it's supposed to reduce the appearance of uneven skin tone, which she has. So putting this in the cart. Okay, we're looking at TVs right now, and that just reminded me I need to grab a new watch brand because my siblings broke mine, so. Okay, there's not too many cute ones here. I wanted to like get a pink one, but this is like the only pink one they have, and it's a bit dark. Hi. You're not focusing because it's in cinematic. Oh, period. Slay. This is like the only pink one they have, and I don't know if it's gonna match with everything, so I might hold off to buy one. Okay, literally just kidding, because I just found this one. It's got all these little fruits on it, and this is kind of like the color story that I normally wear, so I think we're gonna get this one. Yeah, super cute, super slay. I would be lying if I said that I also wasn't kind of looking at more sheets, because I have like a winter set that has snowflakes and like a gray one, but this one is pink with flowers all over it, and it's got blue to match all the rest of my room, but it's also pink, so I think I might get her. It says it fits mattresses up to 16 inches deep. What kind of mattress is 16 inches deep? I think I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna put it in my cart and think about it, but I think she's a winner. I just don't know if she'll match with my blanket, so maybe a new blanket. I'm in like the throw blankets and pillows aisle, and I found one that's like the right color, but it's 50 by 60 inches, and I'm like 63 inches tall, so wait. It doesn't even cover my head. Hold on, I'm gonna get it. It's $10 and it's pink. Let me show it to you. This is what she looks like. I don't know why I was like, oh, that's not big enough. I'm like 63 inches tall. Yeah, I'm not gonna put it over my head, so yeah. This is like low-key dorm room shopping. Okay, quick little update. I was gonna get the Moroccan Rose body wash, but I found the Method one, and it's also rose scented, so we're gonna go with the Method one because I love like the Method cleaners, and I heard these are really good too. So if it's good enough for my kitchen, it's good enough for my skin. That sounded not great. Okay, so I'm in like the period aisle, and I'm looking at like menstrual cups because I don't want to sit through a lecture with a tampon on and bleed through, and I wouldn't want to leave because I'd feel guilty, but they have different sizes and I did not know it was a thing, so now I'm a little confused. So I don't know what it means. I'm gonna look at the packaging and see. Okay, I think I'm gonna get the smaller one just because it says this is for like a first-time user and pre-birth, and like light normal flow. I feel like I have like normal to heavy, so that makes me think maybe I should get the regular, but it also says 3 tampon capacity, so like it should be fine. I'll try this, and if I need to get a larger one for like heavy flow days, I'll get that later, but we're gonna go ahead and try this one for the first time. And then I think the last thing that I'm gonna grab is like a basic back to school item, but it's these friction erasable pans. I think these are the erasable ones. Yes, these are the erasable ones, and I'm gonna show later, but I have like this Rocketbook notepad, and you have to use the friction erasable pens on it. And right now I only have a black one, and I love color coding. So we're gonna do some colorful ones. Okay, I have to be like weirdly quiet because I don't know if they can hear me out there because I'm in the bathroom, but one of the last few things I had to do to get ready for college was quit my job. So I already put my 2 weeks in. I have 3 shifts left. This is my 3rd to last shift, and then when you walk this, it will be 2 shifts left, or I guess 1 shift left because I have today, Friday, and then Monday, and then that's it. So I need to go apply to some jobs. I'm closing tonight, so like maybe when I get home, but probably like on Wednesday.
I have to go to ASU again today for a callback for my class audition. I'm gonna go lint on my shirt because cats.
Okay, so I'm at ASU. I didn't film before the audition because I was super nervous, and then I got lost because this building is crazy, and I'm also bad with directions. But I just finished my audition, and I feel amazing. I did really well, regardless of whether or not I get in. I'm super proud of myself. I'm gonna stay in the shade. But yeah, there's more spots or more people than there are spots, so I might not get in, but I feel amazing. Like my body converted all the like anxiety and nervous energy that I had into like power, and now I'm really excited. I don't want to stop singing, but I have to because yeah. But I think I did really good. I have a pretty strong chance of getting in. I think yeah, no, I know I have a strong chance. I'm good at this. Okay, so I definitely put on a checklist. I made like a checklist for tomorrow of what I need to do, but there's more things on there than I thought there was going to be. So one of those things is that I'm gonna clean my room, so I'm gonna do that now, I think, because it's like 6:30 right now. So I'm gonna clean up my room. I'm not gonna do it on camera, but I think I'm gonna also wash those sheets and blankets that I got yesterday, and maybe, if we're lucky, I'll have time to rearrange my room tonight. Okay, I forgot to turn my fan off in that last clip, which I'm really sorry about. Sorry, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I more than likely than not have like ADD or ADHD or something like that. I need to get tested, but I'm cleaning my desk. I clean in a really weird way, just super jumping all over the place because that's the only way I can get it done. So I was cleaning my desk, and I bought a bunch of postcards in San Diego. They're in a bag right now. And right now on my wall right here, I have bunch of birthday cards, so I'm gonna replace these with those because it's been a couple months since my birthday. I'll keep my pride flag and my like little Skittles, my little Skittles pride thingy up there, obviously. And then another thing I also want to take down is all of this high school stuff. I have a Seuss poster, like a that Broadway concert poster and the performing arts poster that I'm on, and I want to take that all down because I graduated. There's no reason for it to be there. And we'll find something else to replace it with, but probably not yet. Alright, so I've just finished tidying it up. It took like 2 hours, but I also took a break in the middle to like do the dishes. So I want to show you really quick the layout of my room. So there are some things in here like my wardrobe and my really big bookshelf that I just can't move. First of all, there's no other place in the room for them, and also I'm not strong enough. But I'm gonna change where my bed is and my desk. There's like 2 arrangements that I have my room in ever, and I've had it this way for about a year, so I think I'm gonna change it back to the other one because I think that's just gonna look better. That one looks better, but this one is more functional, but I don't anticipate spending a ton of time here in the coming next few months because of school, so let's just go for the cuter one. Yeah. And there are a couple more reasons why I wanted to do this. For one, it'll make it so much easier to make my bed, and I know that like making your bed makes you have a more organized, put together life or whatever. I don't know, it's just what the scientists say. And then I want to be able to display more books on my desk, and I also feel like having my desk over there makes me use it more, which is really weird. I don't know why that is, it just is. Okay, so I got everything all moved around. It looks so cute in here. I'll step out of frame. So yeah, this is basically what it's looking like. I took all the gross old stuff off the wall. I'm gonna go take a shower now because I don't want to sleep in my gross, sweaty, moving around body in my nice fresh sheets. Also, the peony rose water method soap that I got smells so good. So, yay! Hi, good morning. First of all, I'm sorry that this lighting is like really weird. We have a ton of windows in my house, and I was gonna film this little first part in my room, but the lighting was so weird because the sun was shining through, so I look super backlit. There's a couple things I have to do. There's like mini modules or whatever in my ASU that we have to do. They're like violence protection and code of conduct things that we have to complete before September 29th. I just want to get a head start on them because, I don't know, I'm bad at doing things during the school year. And then there's also a French placement test that I need to take to see if I can get into intermediate French because I am minoring in French and I don't want to take beginning French if I don't have to. Okay, so I've just finished doing some stuff for school. I completed all the little mini courses that I had to do, and it took so long, so I'm glad that I did them now. I took the French placement test and I enrolled in the class that I needed to. I changed the time of my English, which now means my schedule looks really weird, but I think this is how it's gonna stay. Hopefully. There are 2 more classes, one that I need to hear back about if I'm in it, and one that I need to hear like what time it will be. So what I'm gonna do now is write down my schedule on my nice clean little desk. I'm gonna write it on my Rocketbook, which I'll show you guys. And then this is another thing that I wanted to briefly talk about. I don't have a laptop for school yet, and I know I need to get one pretty much like this week or early next week. I don't know if I'm gonna be buying it or if my parents are gonna be buying it. I really want like a MacBook. I don't know if that's what they're called, but like the Apple computer, the Apple laptop. That's what I really want because I like use all Apple products, like my watch and my phone. So like it would just be convenient. It would fit in the family of everything that we have. But if my parents are buying it for me, I'm obviously not going to request any specific type of laptop because I know nothing about computers. I just, like, a computer works, it's connected to the internet. I'm like, cool, okay. So whatever they would decide to get me would be completely fine with me. I'm going to be grateful for it no matter what because it's money I won't be spending. But I do have money saved up for my job this summer, and so if I do get the computer myself, I don't have enough money saved up for a MacBook, but I do have enough saved up to get like a basic Lenovo computer like I had for school last year, and that worked perfectly fine for me. So I'll give you updates on that in the future, but yeah. What I'm doing right now is pretty much the last thing that I can do right now with everything that I have and don't have for college. I'm going to wash my backpack and all the little bags I'm putting inside my backpack just so that they're fresh and clean. But what's in my backpack so far is going to be the rock book. It's on my desk right now. I have this binder with a bunch of folder dividers. I don't know if I'm gonna need this. I highly doubt it, but I'll put it in there just in case. My laptop when I get it, and then I think I'm gonna use this as a pencil pouch. I was just using this little purse looking thing last year and I don't really like how it looks, but I have this little pink pouch now and I love pink, so yeah. This is the little baggie that came with my cup, so I want to watch that first. I don't know if I'm going to use this for my period products this year because I have a bag coming with my July ipsy stuff that looks a lot cuter. It's pink and green. And then this little like hairbrush pouch, so I can put my hairbrush in here so it doesn't get nasty hair all over everything. And then just like wallet and keys. I'll probably put a phone charger in there too. But yeah, I think that's it. So bye. I will see you next week or maybe sooner. I don't know. Woohoo!